Hi, today in front of me OPPO A98 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So open first the Play Store application and in the search bar enter the green Apple keyboard. So now we should get this application. That's why tap to install button and wait a couple of seconds. Tap to open the app, click Enable in Settings and near green Apple keyboard click on the switcher. Tap to activate it and after that go back. Tap to switch input methods and switch your current keyboard to the English United States keyboard. So now the process is finished, so let's check the new keyboard look. And we could see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video leave thumbs up and subscribe.